Hi everyone, my name is Sid Divine and I am the creator of Yoga Mythbusters. It's my first video and I've been wanting to tackle this subject for a long time, being a yoga teacher, and finally today just got the inspiration and the courage to just go for it and to start creating content, because that's what we're all realizing that we can do easily now and need to do to help share and grow. And today I got the inspiration and I was like, that's it. What is the first myth that I want to cover here? And it is that yoga is only for certain people, which is false. It's actually an ancient art and science, and it's available to anybody, and that's part of the beautiful ness of it all. So basically, as much as we are different people, we all share tons of similarities, right? And as human beings, we are constantly in a state of flux and change, just like the rest of the world. It's undeniable that life is constantly moving, and we are part of life, and therefore we're constantly moving. And yoga is a beautiful tool to basically keep everything moving in a healthy way, because sometimes we get blocked up and then we don't feel good and it continues to be a downward spiral. Whereas if you can get to yoga, no matter what condition you're in, it is going to make you feel better. So you just have to start where you're at and not worry if you can touch your toes or do any kind of back bend. It's that's just all limitations in the mind, and it's completely normal to feel like that. Everybody does. But if you can just bring yourself to get to a class or to hire a private teacher, which is awesome way to start out, even just like a couple classes in the beginning, so to kind of get your sea legs, and then maybe feel more comfortable to do a video on your own or to go to a class. And it gives us this clearing on all the aspects of ourselves. So it clears our body, our energy, clears our emotions, and clears all the clutter in the mind. So such a beautiful practice, and I'm here for you guys. So drop me some comments or questions or topics, myths that you'd like to see covered, things you've heard about yoga that you're not sure if it's true or not. And I am going to be coming on here and just creating content and sharing my experience. I've been practicing for 15 years with the yoga, and it's my lifestyle. I don't know where I'd be without it. If I don't get my yoga in, I definitely feel unlike myself. And so I look forward to hearing from you, and we'll speak with you soon. Namaste.